Hey there, gorgeous. Let's talk about something we all want after 40. That undeniable, confident glow. You know, the kind that makes you feel amazing in your own skin. And believe it or not, a huge part of achieving that glow comes from how you care for your skin around waxing. Today, I'm sharing the ultimate post-wax routine, a collection of secrets that will leave your skin smooth, calm, and radiant. This isn't just about hair removal. It's about a self-care ritual that boosts your confidence from the inside out. First, let's start before we even get to the wax, because a great glow starts before the wax. About 24 hours before your appointment, gently exfoliate your skin. For our beautiful mature skin, it's best to avoid harsh scrubs. Think gentle chemical exfoliants or a soft cloth. Also, applying a pre-wax oil can create a protective barrier, which is a lifesaver for sensitive skin. And don't forget to hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water. It makes your skin more resilient. Women in London often turn this into a little home spa night, a perfect way to prep and relax. Now, let's talk about the wax itself, because not all waxes are created equal. Your wax can literally make or break your glow. For sensitive areas like the bikini line or underarms, hard wax is your best friend. It sticks to the hair, not the skin. For larger areas like your legs, soft wax can be more efficient. Take a peek at the ingredients, look for anti-inflammatory properties like chamomile or azulin, and try to avoid paraffin-heavy waxes that can be too harsh for mature skin. Salons across the US and Canada are big fans of hypoallergenic options for this reason. Okay, let's tackle the big one, pain. Waxing doesn't have to hurt. Here's a trick that busy women in NYC swear by. Apply a numbing cream about 15 to 20 minutes before your session. A simple ice pack held on the area for a few minutes before and after can also work wonders. During the wax, focus on your breathing. A deep inhale, and a long, slow exhale as the strip is pulled. This simple trick relaxes your muscles and your mind. And if you're comfortable with it, an over-the-counter pain reliever, taken about 30 minutes beforehand, can really help. Timing is everything for comfort and great results. The best time to wax is usually mid-morning or early afternoon when your body's pain tolerance is naturally a bit higher. Try to avoid scheduling your wax right before your period, as your skin is often more sensitive then. A warm not hot shower beforehand can also help open up the pores. And here's a tip from women in Sydney who love their weekend morning rituals. Don't rush the process. Patience equals smoothness. The moment the wax is done, your skin needs instant TLC. This is where the cooling phase comes in. Immediately apply a pure aloe vera gel or a dedicated cooling serum. If you see any redness, gently apply an ice pack. For the next 24 hours, wear loose, breathable clothing and skip hot showers or baths. And please, stick to fragrance-free moisturizers to avoid irritation. Scandinavian spas are masters of this cooling ritual. It's a crucial step for calming the skin. Now, let's weave in some anti-aging magic. Waxing plus anti-aging equals a double glow. After waxing, your skin is perfectly prepped to absorb nourishing products. Incorporate serums with hyaluronic acid to deeply hydrate and plump the skin. Vitamin C serums are fantastic for brightness. Just be sure to avoid applying retinol for a day or two, right after waxing, as the skin is still sensitive. And make SPF your daily non-negotiable, even indoors. Women in Germany swear by their nightly serum routines for maintaining that youthful radiance. Cleansing is next, and the mantra here is, clean skin, happy skin. For the first 48 hours, post-wax, use a gentle pH-balanced cleanser. Avoid any kind of exfoliation during this time. When you dry off, pat your skin gently with a soft towel instead of rubbing. Microfiber cloths are excellent for this. In cities like Toronto, oat-based cleansers are becoming super popular for their gentle, soothing properties. Hydration truly fuels your comfort and glow. We all know the drink 8 glasses of water rule, but let's take it further. Use body lotions with hydrating ingredients like glycerin or sea butter. Keep a facial mist handy to spritz throughout the day for a quick refresh, and consider including more omega-3s south in your diet. Found in things like salmon and walnuts, to hydrate your skin from the inside. Now for exfoliation. It's key for preventing ingrown hairs, but you have to exfoliate smart, not harsh. Wait at least 48 hours after waxing. Then, 2 to 3 times a week, use a gentle chemical exfoliant with ingredients like glycolic or lactic acid. This is much kinder to mature skin than aggressive scrubs. Even top NYC salons follow this rhythm to keep skin smooth and clear without causing irritation. To keep redness and irritation at bay, turn to anti-inflammatory products. Think aloe vera gels, calendula creams, and chamomile-infused lotions. These botanicals are incredibly soothing. Always patch test a new product, and remember that with these potent soothers, less is more. This focus on calming botanicals is a cornerstone of Nordic skincare, and for good reason. Redness disappears so much faster with this simple routine. What if a little bump appears? Don't panic. Fix trouble spots without irritating your skin. For an occasional bump, a spot treatment with a touch of salicylic acid can work wonders. Apply it carefully just to the affected spot. Never scrub at newly waxed skin. A small dab can honestly prevent a week of redness. To really elevate your results, lock in that moisture and shine with body oils. Natural oils like jojoba almond or argan oil are fantastic. The best time to apply them is right after a shower when your skin is still slightly damp. Massage the oil in gentle, circular motions. Women in Australia swear by their evening oil rituals for that beautiful, healthy sheen that helps reduce the appearance of dryness. Don't underestimate the mind-skin connection. Your skin loves calm vibes. Create a relaxing atmosphere during your post-wax care. Diffuse some lavender or chamomile essential oils. Put on some calming music. Taking a few moments for deep breathing can reduce stress, which in turn helps calm your skin. A calm mind truly leads to calm skin, and that's where the glow happens. Let's talk about making your smooth results last longer. You can actually make your next wax easier and less frequent. Look for body lotions or serums specifically designed to slow hair growth. The most important tip: avoid shaving between appointments. Shaving disrupts the hair growth cycle and can make your next wax more painful. Consistent moisturizing also helps keep hair follicles soft, making removal easier. What you wear to bed after waxing matters, too. Your post-wax sleep is part of the routine. Opt for loose, breathable cotton or silk blend pajamas. Avoid tight elastic bands that can rub against sensitive skin. This simple switch ensures you wake up with calm, smooth morning skin. To really perfect your routine over time, take a moment for weekly self-care reflection. Keep a small journal to note how your skin reacts to different products. Did that new oil work well? Did you experience any redness? Tracking these details helps you tailor the routine perfectly to your unique skin. Awareness is the key to mastering your glow. And here's a fun tip: double your glow with masks. A couple of times a week, treat yourself. Apply a hydrating, cooling mask to your face, and at the same time, apply a gentle body mask to your legs or arms. It feels incredibly luxurious, and your skin will thank you for the extra hydration. What about travel? Travel doesn't have to ruin your skin. Pack mini versions of your favorite facial mists, oils and moisturizers. Drink extra water, especially on flights, and try to wear soft, comfortable fabrics. Scandinavian travelers are pros at this, often carrying dedicated travel hydration kits to keep their glow on the move. Remember that breathing technique we talked about? Let's revisit it. Your breath is your secret comfort hack. Before each strip is pulled, take a deep inhale, and as it's removed, exhale slowly. This mindful practice gives you a sense of control and significantly reduces discomfort. It's a technique taught in spas from Toronto to Tokyo for a reason. Sun protection is absolutely critical after waxing. Your skin is more vulnerable, so you need to shield your glow from damage. Apply a broad-spectrum SPF daily to all exposed areas. Physical sunscreens with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide are often gentler on freshly waxed skin. Even beach lovers in Sydney follow this rule religiously to prevent redness and long-term damage. Let's bring the spa home for the ultimate comfort ritual. A day or two after your wax, draw a warm bath with calming Epsom or mineral salts. Light some scented candles, play soft music, and just relax. This not only pampers your skin but also your mind, reinforcing that feeling of confidence and self-love. And finally, your routine is complete when your style reflects your glow. After you've taken such good care of your skin, wear something that makes you feel fabulous. That could be a beautiful dress, a pair of shorts you love, or just a top in a color that brightens your complexion. This completes the confidence loop. When you feel good, you look good, and when you look good, you feel even better. There you have it, your complete guide to a post-wax routine that nurtures your skin and boosts your confidence. It's about creating a ritual that makes you feel pampered, powerful, and absolutely radiant after 40. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your own glow boosting tips in the comments below. See you next time.